all the work, 10 hours of work doing takeoffs, sending them the bid, by their deadline. And
Okay.
when I'm following up, I'm getting ghosted.
Give me a bid, hypothetically, real quick. We'll spend 2 minutes on this. Give me a bid that somebody's ghosted you on. How much and what are they buying?
Pros at Deerbrook, they're buying carpet, tile, and flooring, and they need it by December.
Why do they need it by December?
Because that's when they're going to review the contract to let it out.
When you say review the contract and let it out, can you give me a specific example?
Yeah, we're going to look at your bid, Harold, and we're going to compare a price.
Perfect. How many units are in this community?
You got me here. I know where you're going with that.
Just how many units? Just answer. Answer. How many units are at that community?
365.
Okay. Is it a C class, B class, A class?
A class.
What city?
Houston.
What's your average rate for an A class unit in Houston, Texas?
I have no idea. Rate?
Yeah, rent.
$1 million.
No, rent.
Rent. $1,500 a month. $3,000 a month.
Bingo. Okay? 332 units times $3,000 a month. I don't have my calculator in front of me. This is the kind of stuff I need you to be doing, Harold, right?
Okay.
Top line revenue, right?
Okay.
I'm calling to see if it makes sense for us to bid on the project at 1132 Oak Street so you can get those 332 A-class units in Dallas occupied and collecting revenue ahead of schedule, resulting in an additional $1.4 million to Waypoint Residential every day that apartment is leased up sooner. Does it make sense for you to go with us? Checkmate.
That makes sense, and I'll definitely buy from you, Matt.
100%. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence. But it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.